In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your demo account on Pew Prime. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of the navigation dashboard. And I want you to click the accounts. Now, on the drop-down menu, I want you to click the demo account. Now, once you opened your demo account, as you may notice that there isn't really a direct way for you to delete your demo account, right? The gear icon here only offers the ability for you to change the leverage. Apart from that, there isn't really a way. Now, if you go to your browser and then type in how to delete your demo Pew Prime account, as you can see, there isn't really a way for you to directly delete your Pew Prime account. Okay, so the thing is, if you don't do any transactions, if you don't open the demo accounts and they remained inactive for 30 days, they will automatically archive and permanently delete it. Now, here's what you can do. This step is very important. I want you to go back to your demo account. You want to make sure that all the money or any balance here should be reverted back to zero. You can transfer it to your account. It's up to you. And then after making all the account zero, just leave it inactive for the next 30 days. And Pew Prime will automatically delete your demo account. So at this moment, you can't do nothing about it. Or if you want, what you can do is you can simply go to the support section at the bottom, okay, and click the contact us option or create a ticket. These are going to be the channels that you can reach them. You can call these numbers, email them, take a live chat, or you can also go down at the bottom here, okay, and type in your question to see if you get an answer. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.